Have some drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and part of that is leading to some lower rain chances. Now that's going to change a little bit as we go through the middle and the end of the week. Rain chances do return, but we'll take that break, right? We're also tracking the tropics, and the good news is, as we track this area of low pressure that is now officially Tropical Depression 2 and soon to become Tropical Storm Bertha a little later today, notice it is moving away from us right now in the northern Gulf, but moving closer to Texas as we go through the middle and the end of this week. So it will actually drag some of our moisture away, but we do expect some tropical moisture to work in as we go into the middle and the end of the week. We also have a front, and that front has moved through, and part of the reason we are drier is that drier air is working in behind a cold front. Now temperatures aren't going to change much. We're talking about plenty of heat and still some humid air at the surface, and that's why it's going to feel hotter than the actual air temperature. Going to a high today of 93 degrees. Notice those rain chances at only 20% through the afternoon today, but feeling close to 100 area wide. So today and tomorrow, lower rain chances at only about 20%. Then we bump those rain chances up as we go through Wednesday and Thursday, up to 50% by Thursday. Let me show you, though, that area of low pressure that we continue to track in the northern Gulf. And you'll see this area of low pressure, that counterclockwise wind flow moving through the northern Gulf. And so it's going to try to bring some moisture to Florida, increasing rain chances there. So if you're traveling even to South Georgia, there is the chance for a little bit of rain because of this system. But again, moving away from us as we go into the next couple of days. Let me take you close to home, and you'll see the current temperatures mild in the mid 70s for metro Atlanta, going to 74 now. So as you head out the door, that low level moisture making that 74 feel a little warmer, more like the upper 70s. Here are the temperatures, though, through the afternoon today. Highs going 3 degrees above the average in Atlanta. So the average is 90. We're going to a high today of 93 degrees, but because we have that low level moisture, that humidity at the surface, it does feel hotter, feeling closer to 100 degrees area wide into the afternoon today. And we will see that 20% coverage of a pop-up shower or two. Part of the reason we still have some humidity at the surface and we are heating up, but that drier air trying to work in through the mid-levels behind that front. Let me show you the 7-day forecast. As we do, those 90s are sticking around, but we do cool down a little bit with added rain chances by the end of the week and the weekend. We're going to the upper 80s for your Saturday and also for your Friday.